Hello everyone, I'm Rex Straw from the Azure Identity Advanced Cloud Engineering team. In this video, we will learn how to create or update a name location and add it to the Azure AD Conditional Access policy. Let's begin with what a name location is. These name network locations may include locations like an organization's headquarters network ranges, VPN network ranges, or ranges that you wish to allow or block. Named locations are defined by IPv4 and IPv6 address ranges or by countries. Here's an example to create or update a named location with IPv4 or IPv6 IP ranges and add it to a conditional access policy. Sign into the Azure portal at portal.azure.com. In the left navigation menu, select Azure Active Directory. Under Security, select Named Locations. To create a new named location, click on Add Countries Location or IP Ranges Location. Here we choose IP Ranges Location, for example. Enter a name for the location and optionally check Mark as Trusted Location. Conditional access policies can include or exclude these locations, and sign-ins from trusted name locations improve the accuracy of Azure AD identity protection's risk calculation, lowering a user's signing risk when they authenticate from a location marked as trusted. Click plus sign and enter the IP addresses. You are required to use CIDR notation, including after the IP address a / and the subnet mask number. Please bear in mind that only CIDR masks greater than /8 are allowed when defining an IP range. Click on Create to create the named location. To update an existing named location, select the location from the list and edit. Make the necessary changes and click on Save to save the changes. Now, let's add the name location to an Azure AD conditional access policy. In the Azure AD portal, select Conditional Access under Security. Select the policy to which you want to add the named location. Under Conditions section, select Locations. Click Selected Locations under Include or Exclude tab to add the named location. Choose the named locations from the list and click on Select. Click on Save to save the changes to the policy. Congratulations! You have successfully created or updated a named location and added it to an Azure AD conditional access policy. Named locations are a crucial part of conditional access policies, as they help to define network locations. I hope this tutorial was helpful in showing you how to create or update a named location with IPv4 or IPv6 IP ranges and add it to an Azure AD conditional access policy. Thank you for watching.